Hi, today I'm making baked beans. I have been tasked with bringing the baked beans for our holiday celebration, and so I thought I would demonstrate how I make them. I start with 2 tablespoons of mustard, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, a quarter cup of red and green bell peppers chopped fine, a quarter cup of white onion chopped fine, 1 12-ounce can of pork and beans, and a half a cup of brown sugar, and it's packed tightly. So the next thing I'm going to do, I've poured my beans into my casserole dish. It's ungreased. And I'm going to sort of just stir my beans just a little bit. And I'm going to add the brown sugar first, as you can see here. So I sort of break it up and go ahead and mix it all together. Making sure the sugar is spread throughout. Then I'm going to add my barbecue sauce, my 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, my mustard. I'm going to add that, as well as the 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Okay, and so it's all combined there. People are a little surprised sometimes that I tell them to put mustard, but it gives it a great flavor. I add my white onion and my mixed bell pepper, red and green in this case, to the baked beans, and I'm going to just stir it. It's a very simple recipe. This takes about 15 minutes at tops to chop and to combine the ingredients. You're going to put it in the oven at 350 for about an hour. And once it's done, it's going to develop this little crust on it, as you can see, and it's ready for serving. So it's perfect for our holiday barbecue.